Hello friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This video happens to be yet another uh, opportunity to share my humble knowledge about the one of the doyens of Indian cinema, Sri Satyajit Ray. In this particular video, I am going to share my thoughts on the movie Charulata and the binocular angle. While we are celebrating the 100th birth anniversary of the iconic figure, I believe that among his plethora of works and his great work in cinema, among his greatest works, Charulata definitely happens to be uh, one of the most celebrated works, one of the most talked about works, and hence I felt that it would be apt to speak about Charulata and a very interesting perspective in that movie, a very interesting prop rather in that particular movie happens to be the binocular. Now, the plot of Charulata revolves around three primary characters, namely Charu the wife, Bhupati the husband, and Amol the brother-in-law. Charulata is a lonely wife whose husband is too busy with his printing and publishing and has very little time to spend with his wife. The wife is more of an insider in the house who is uh, expected to stay in the inner premises of the house, and uh, she mostly sees the uh, happenings uh, outside her home from the window, and a significant vacuum is there in her life. Thus she finds her husband a distant entity in her life and finds solace in the company of Amol when he comes to stay in the house. Expectations, although abnormal, but they do show up in Charu's psyche as she mingles with Amol. The binocular plays an important role in depicting these. In one of the earlier sequences of the movie, uh, we find that uh, Charu is looking through the happenings in the street with the binocular. The binocular gives more clarity to Charu as far as uh, the real time events outside her home are concerned. There is a scene where we find that Bhupati is uh, too busy reading a book while Charu is standing in the corridor. But Bhupati does not even have the inkling of that as he is too absorbed in study. Charu watches her husband going further away from her with a binocular. In another sequence, we find Charu on a swing uh, while Amol is busy writing something. She sees a mother and her child at some distance with the binocular and then focuses on the handsome facial characteristics of Amol and feels nice about it. We see thus this binocular is making the story progress with time in its own sweet and definite way. The basic essence of the plot is well conveyed through this binocular. Uh, that is the conclusion. So, in conclusion, I will say uh, is it is this binocular angle, uh, this binocular prop, and the way this prop has been used in this movie Charulata is nothing But the mastery of Satyajit Ray as a filmmaker and a film visionary